This is room 632 at Occidental, Costa Cancun. It's now becoming Barcelo, Costa Cancun. This is a king room with a terrace. We had actually booked just a standard room, but got upgraded to the terrace. Little artwork on the wall. It's yeah, you probably shouldn't touch, but it's textured. Took us a minute to find the air conditioning control. It's down here, and it is in Celsius, so we had to do a little math. Clearly, somebody is not a happy camper because he had to travel.
Travel for 2 days now.
Okay, it wasn't really 2 days, so let's go on out to the terrace, or what I would call a balcony. It's pretty good size with a nice view. We've got these hooks in the corners that you can actually string that hammock over there. A couple chairs, a little table. It's raining here today as soon as we landed. This is actually our first time staying in an all-inclusive resort. We're normally cruisers. That's why he's not happy, because he's used to getting on a ship, going around. So, mini bar is in this little thing. They restock it once a day.
If you're into beers.
Neither one of us are beer drinkers, but there's, beer, sodas, some little snacks. These little peanuts are absolutely amazing. We get a little Mexican candy thing, and we got those once, and they're pretty awesome. You got a little closet when you first come in. It's pretty big. We're only going to be here 2 days, so we probably won't unpack. A little safe in case you want to put your valuables. We didn't bring any valuables. I have no idea what this is, but oh, circuit breaker. I open everything. So, into the bathroom. Pretty nice sized bathroom. Got your toilet, plenty of room, pretty big shower. Oh, that's nice. Little seat. And, you actually look straight into there. Interesting. So, that's a little tour of the room. They do have a hair dryer in here for you, so you don't have to bring one. Oh, bottle opener, because you never know when you need to open a bottle. Although the beers were in cans. So that's the room.
Okay. As you go into the entrance, you got the little. It's a little serene. No, you didn't.